Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class, we do some practice examples on operators. In our previous classes, we clearly discussed about operators. So our assumption here is you have already watched those classes because we don't explain the concepts here. These practice examples will help you a better understanding of the concepts of operators. So let's do the examples. So find the output of the following. So first one, print 11 floor division 2. So what's the output we'll get? 11 divided by 2. What's the value we'll get? 5 point something. Floor division means take the nearest least value. So the output is 5. Next one, print 11.0. Even it is a floating point number. Floor division 2. What's the output you'll get? 5.5. But even it is a floating point number, we will consider it as 5.0. That's the floor division. Take the least value. So next one, print minus 16 floor division 3. This is very important to understand. 16 by 3 means 5 point something. 6 are like that. Minus. Floor division means take the least value. So in negative numbers, what's the least value? You'll go to 6. That's the least value. That is very important to understand. So minus 6 is the output. Next one is I is equal to 5. Print I plus plus, print I plus 1. Will this execute? No, it won't execute because we don't have the operator I plus plus in Python. That is the concept you have to understand, because usually in C and Java language we are having this one. So we'll get confused. That's why we separately mention that I plus plus is not there in Python, so it won't get executed. So next question is x is equal to 5, y is equal to 10. What's the output you'll get with this expression? So 5 power 2 greater than 25 and y less than 50. So which one is having the highest precedence? Power is having the highest precedence, so it will execute. 5 power 2 means 25 greater than 25, no, false, and y less than 50. So this is true, this is false, and means you should have both should be true values, so it is false. So next question, you have to evaluate this. This is very important because you will get practice about the evaluation process. 2 plus 3 minus 2 into bracket 6 minus 8 by 2 into 4 power of 2 into 2 bracket close. So which is having the highest precedence? Brackets is having the highest precedence. So this bracket part will be evaluated first. In this, power function is having the highest precedence. So this 4 power 2 will be evaluated first. 64 means 6 minus 8 by 2 into 64 into 2. In this, which is having the highest precedence? Divided by multiplication is having the highest precedence, but these three are equal. Equal precedence means left to right associativity. First division will be done. 8 by 2, 4, multiplied by 64. 4 power 2, 16, sorry. 4 power 2 means 16. So 4 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 2. So 4 into 16, which is 64, multiplied by 2, which is 128. 6 minus 128. Up to here, the value is 128. 6 minus 128, what is the value? This total value is 122, minus 122. 6 minus 128, minus 122. So this bracket, the evaluation value of this bracket is minus 122. 2 plus 3 minus 2 into this bracket value, which is having the highest precedence. Multiplication is having the highest precedence. So 2 into minus 122, minus 244. Okay, plus minus. So the equation is 2 plus 3 minus 244. Minus into minus, what will happen? But it will evaluate like this. 2 plus 3 will be evaluated, then minus, because plus and minus having the same precedence. left to right associativity. 2 plus 3, what's the value? 5 minus 244. Minus minus means plus. 5 plus 244, that is equal to 249. That's the output. So next one is write a program to swap two variables. This is very interesting in Python. It's very easy to write the swap program. A is equal to 2, B is equal to, say it as 5. If you want to swap the variables, just A comma B is equal to B comma A. We are having this assignment operator, multiple assignment operator. Automatically it will get swapped. So this is the program for swap in Python. Okay, hope you understand all the concepts. If you have any questions regarding the examples, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.